We just jump straight into a quiz. Yeah, let's do that. We've made it all the way to the end in the Adventure Time icebreaker. What is Elaine's walk-on song? I wonder if we played it yet tonight. I'm not sure if we have. Who's the only student not currently in Australia?
In the real world, how much time would you say would be put into a project?
You might be doing a whole bunch of things, practicing your interview skills. You might be facilitating. You might be teaching others how to do UX design. Every organisation is different. I would just sort of go into those scenarios, if those interviews with your eyes open. What's challenging about learning anything new is that there's this theory component and then there's the practical component. And I find most folks, including myself, learn better by doing. How can I grow further? So things you want to start to explore. And the intent is to reflect on this in a few months' time. Thank you so much for the privilege of being your mentor for this project. I thoroughly enjoyed it. You're an amazing cohort of folks. Smart, intelligent, funny. Please keep in touch. I'm on LinkedIn. I think a few of you have already connected to me on there. But I'm more than happy to keep chatting. And if you've got any questions about UX or customer experience or service design or anything like that, I'm about.
Thank you, Jason, for your great mentorship and leadership.